Hello, everybody, and welcome to Cats Me Wow Designs. So, with me today, have the bargain bead box for April. And so, I've been getting the bargain bead box for a little over a year. And so, I thought today would be a fun day to kind of mix it up a little bit and show off what this box is about. See what you guys think if you would like to see more videos like this, and maybe some designing of some jewelry. So this is the package it comes in. Each month has a different theme. So the theme for this month is April showers, and the little synopsis of this box says there's nothing like the cozy beauty of a rainy spring day. Soft pastels, including minty, Amazonite, light blue Malaysia jade quartz, and peach crystals combined with lots of sparkling crystal teardrops in the shimmering palette. Cloud motifs include stainless steel chandeliers, carved freshwater shell beads, and high quality cubic zirconia toggle clasp. So if you get the bundle, then you also get a discount code off of their sister site. I have this folded so that way you will not see the code, but let's look at what we have. Ooh, this is already so pretty. Let's go ahead and dump these out a little bit. Now, if you look on the back of each thing, it will have a rundown of everything that is in the box. And so you pay a flat rate of, I believe it's $23, and it will get shipped to you every month, or you can do it a couple months at a time. Just organizing these real quick to make them a little bit easier. I am going to put them in this case that I got at Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to set this to the side. This has 18 compartments, but I do believe that this box has, I think I saw 21 pieces. So this first piece is the Amazonite faceted teardrop pendant. I've seen lots of really cute things with this. And so I have a plate here. You can see it's multi-faceted. So we're going to put that in our first spot. And so now we have the teardrop beads that are of the same kind. And so this is what they look like. And I love organizing my beads like this because if I can't see them, I forget about them. So it makes it easier for me to design things if I can see all of the pieces at once. All right, so number 3 is the Amazonite frosted round beads. And these have a little bit more color than the previous ones, but they are variegated. And these are so cute. I can't wait until we get to the carved cloud pieces. I saw them in the preview, and let me tell you, when those extras become available, I am definitely buying some more of those because they are totally cute. That. Cut that off real quick. There we go. Now it should be able to go into that a little easier. Okay, So now fourth, we have these flower Amazonite rondelle beads. This is a 7.5-inch strand. And so these are also super, super cute. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it for time's sake. Okay, so here is number 5. This is 4mm Malaysia jade or dyed quartz faceted round beads in sky blue. Super cute. And this is quite a long strand of these smaller ones. So that's always super fun. And we got a couple more of these left. Okay, so for number 6, we have the cloud carved beads. These are made out of freshwater shell, and they are 14 by 20mm. And look how cute those are. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Okay, so I like putting these in order. So let me find that kind of, okay, so these are 13 by 6mm faceted teardrop beads with a crystal AB coating. And I am sorry, I do not know how to pronounce this type of bead shape, but so shiny. Like, how cute is that? I'm excited for all of the different colors and styles of this because that's just one of the things I love about this is so I'm relatively new to beading. And so I tend to buy the same things over and over again. But with this box, I get to try a lot of different things, including different gemstones that I would not normally try. And since I have started getting these, I also have been able to try different metals that I definitely would not have tried before, and different types of chains and stuff. And so, anyways, it's just super fun. These would be so cute to go with the clouds. I am confused why there are some smaller little beads in between these, but not like in between all of them, but still super cute. Okay, I have a runaway bead. I guess I had more than one. Okay, so now we are going to lightly move this over here. So now we have these crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads with another crystal AB. And so, oh, look how shiny. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so this one has a wire in it instead of the other. All of my favorite things. I wish they were all that either string or something. When it's this metal that's super, super thin, it kind of drives me a little crazy. But I know why they do it. is harder for me to get it off of the strand, and I poke myself, apparently. Let me see. Okay. Maybe if I spin it this way. Okay, I'm just gonna try to cut it again because I can't. It's driving me crazy. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that will be enough to be able to get all of these beads off. I am really loving how all of these beads, which they all do because they all come in the same curated box, but they all really look like they're going to work well together. Okay, so now for our next one, we have these 8 by 6 millimeter crystal faceted teardrop beads. Again, this has the AB finish. And here is what they look like. Super cute. There we go. Okay. So this is, let's see. Okay, so these are 6 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in peach opal with an AB coating. So those are cute. Let me grab my white plate so you can see them a little better. Very cute. The peach tones are definitely perfect for spring, and I don't know about you, but where I live, it wants to act like spring 1 second and then act like winter the next, and I am just ready for spring. That is how I am feeling right now. So next we have these 10 millimeter crystal faceted half matte round beads in crystal. So those are kind of fun with the shiny AB finish in a stripe around the center. Okay. So next we have some chain. I am just going to, oh no, I'm sorry. That is not the next one. I thought that was odd. Okay. So the actual next one is at 8 millimeter matte crackle glass beads. And the first time I was introduced to crackle beads was actually in last month's box. And these matte ones I was really happy with the other ones, but I love these ones too. So that's super fun. It gives a whole new definition to the crackle that you just miss when you get the shiny versions of them. So that is super fun also. And this is 15 inches. Oops. So you get a lot of these ones. I'll have to see if I need to open a compartment. I don't know if these are all going to fit. Okay, they all do fit. So that is marvelous. So the next pieces are these 19 by 30 millimeter stainless steel cloud chandelier pendants. And so this is what they look like. Very fancy for sure. Okay, and then these 12 by 5 millimeter stainless steel lightning bolts. I am actually going to just set these in here. I'm going to leave them in the package because they're so small, but I will fold them so that way I can still see them. And the next piece is these 12.5 by 14 millimeter cloud charms. So let's take a look at what these look like. Those are super cute. And these are big enough that I think I am going to go ahead and just put them kind of in there. And you know what? Maybe I will just add the lightning bolts. I'll take them out of the package. They're kind of mix and match in there because I am going to need more space. So let me see where we are at. Am I missing one? Hold on. 14. Oh no, I put the two together. Okay. So the next one is a 13 by 20 millimeter cloud chandelier findings. So let's take a look at this. Oh, those are super cute. Love them. And so these are two pieces, 18 by 14 millimeter rhinestone umbrella charms. Also super, super cute. We are going to go ahead and just put them in the same spot because clouds and umbrellas go good together. So for this next one, these are just 4 by 3 millimeter stainless steel round spacer beads. So let's go ahead and put these here. And then we have the 6.5 by 3 millimeter 5 petal bead caps. They, I'm sorry, my cat's trying to steal my stuff here. And they also mentioned they are lead free, nickel free, and I'm not sure what C. I'm not sure. But anyways, so these are super fun, really good for those who have certain metal allergies. And I like that these packages do put on there if they are, free of those kind of allergies. So we only have two pieces left. So this one is a 16 by 44 millimeter platinum plated brass and cubic zirconia cloud toggle clasp. So this is super cute. I like the little diamond right there. And then for the last piece, it is 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter stainless steel curb chain. And so, yes, that we have everything that we need to create some beautiful pieces. So let me just bring this over so you can see the box in its entirety. And thank you so much for joining me today as we kind of look through the April Showers bead box. If you would like to see a video of me creating some different pieces with the pieces in this box, then please be sure to let me know down below. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.